Why is Malaysia fried rice so memorable? Seemingly simple made egg fried rice. Here it has become the street king in the night market. Others put only one egg in a pot of fried rice. This owner actually put 60 eggs to fry rice. Even the expensive tiger shrimp is just a supporting role. There's a queue in front of the store every day. The boss has been doing it for 29 years. Every step of the egg fried rice is made skillfully. The ingredients are also high quality. Scallion are cut into small pieces. Put it on the iron plate and stir fry. With the addition of fresh squid and mushrooms, instantly raise its bar. The original simple ingredients has been transformed. Want the egg fried rice to be delicious? Rice is crucial. Rice amount must be less than eggs. The eggs can elevate the fragrant fried rice. The reason why the boss can be called the king. When others scramble so many eggs, the egg taste is too strong. But this boss egg fried rice won't have this problem. This is the boss's precise grasp of the heat. Roasted over high heat the whole time. As the boss swings the spatula, the aroma of ingredients gradually penetrates into the rice. Sprinkle in a lot of beans to rice to create the multi-layer taste of fried rice. Although it is a simple egg fried rice, must make sure that the color and fragrance are consistent. Pour in the right amount of soy sauce to adjust the color. With the boss's flowing movements, the color of the rice on the iron plate will gradually change. The aroma of fried rice spreads for miles. Make pedestrians walk into the store voluntarily. Golden fried rice is presented in front of you. This sizzling shrimp fried rice is ready, and they would use banana leaves as plates. This unique way of packaging not only does it save you the trouble of washing dishes, it also allows the rice to absorb the aroma of the leaves, makes the rice taste a little fruity.